dawn. I must go wake up Wave Pelt. Wave Pelt, it's time to wake up. Wave Pelt, wake up. Wave Pelt. Wave Pelt. Wave Pelt. Wave Pelt. There you are, you mouse brain. You finally got up. Want to go for a walk? Or go hunt? Hello. It is early today, isn't it? Come on. Let's go. Yeah, of course. Oh, hello. Bye, Ivy Pelt. Let's go. Come on. We don't need to be strapped in the... Strapped? Trapped in the two-leg barn. Right? Don't see him, but he said you smell him. I'm going under this hole. Going over here. Hopefully I won't get lost again, like I usually do. In these giant holes. There. I made it out. I actually didn't get lost this time. That's lucky for me. My name is Pebblefur. And this fox-dunged rabbit went in the hole. Now I'm mad. Wafer! 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 Where is Wafer? Wafer! There has to be more prey somewhere around here. Wafer! Rabbit. Killed. Wafer, where are you? Wafer. Oh, he'll find me eventually at the barn. Whatever. I gotta get out of here. Wafer! Wafer, there he is. Sorry I took so long. I'm really sorry. It's okay. Okay, I got a rabbit. That's good. Come on, let's go up the two-leg upper. Follow me, okay. I'm gonna go sit in the two-leg chair. Ooh, it's really nice. I'm sure you love it here. I'm just gonna sit right here. Oh, there he is. He went to the other side. I'm coming, Wafer. You won't leave me. Whatever. I'm just gonna sit right here. I gotta eat my rabbit. I'm starving. It's so good. I'm going for a walk. I'm going for a walk. Okay, be safe. I will. Oh, hello. Don't want to hurt myself now. I'm gonna get out of this camp or whatever. Hello, little kit. Oh. Hello, little kit. You're really cute. Can I show you a cool place? No, little kit? Okay. Come on, little kit. Okay! Let's go. Come on, Violet. So, how did you end up here? I went inside a two-leg monster, and I jumped out eventually, and I ended up here. Oh, that's sad. Well, I live at the barn if you want to live there. Would you like to go back to the barn, Violet? Yes, that would be really nice. Okay, come on. Let's go. Maybe I can be your mother or something. I must get back to camp. Almost did it. Perfect. I usually don't get it the first try. Whatever. I'm back. Oh, look, the sun is rising. You are a very little cute kitten. So, I'm gonna put you down here, right here. So comfy. I might go hunting. So, Violet Kit? Violet Kit? Violet Kit? Violet? Violet Kit? Where are you? Violet Kit? Violet Kit? Violet Kit? Where are you? Violet Kit! Other cats more than me. Maybe he isn't the right fit. I will need a mate. One day. I really want one. What else will I do without one? I can't have kids. I can't have anything. I'm fine. Are you sure you are? Yes, I am fine. If a she-cat says she's fine, she's fine. I just want a mate. Maybe I can find one in one of the clans. Hi. Hi. But you just be quiet. I'm gonna go and take a rest inside the barn. I don't feel good. I'm gonna go for a walk. Okay, be safe. I have kids. They're so beautiful. This little one right here, I'm gonna call. Wait, Kit. I saw one of her eyes, and it was a white eye. And then this one over here can be called Tan Kit. I have kids. They are so beautiful. Come on, kids, not too much further. Oh, I hate this rain. It's so gross. I see the cave. I see it. I'm gonna miss your sister. Aren't you? Yes! Yes, I am! But, come on, it's time to go back to the barn.